Rosette's going to sing The God of Every Grace, and she's also going to sing a Gadsby hymn.
Oh, let not this world of sorrows steal my every hope away, for the power of your gospel shines within this jar of clay. In affliction you bring wisdom that my comforts can displace. How my true and greatest treasure is in you, the God of grace. Now to the God of every grace, who counts my tears, who holds my days, I sing through sorrows, sing with faith. Oh, praise the God of every grace. Weary with the weight I carry, gives me wings of faith to rise. For you know each grief that lingers through the watches of the night. Surely you have borne our sufferings at the cross, took up our pain, as you lead us on to glory, as we trust you, God of grace. Now to the God of every grace, who counts my tears, who holds my days, I sing through sorrows, sing with faith. Oh, praise the God of every grace. There's a dawning hope before us, as I know it's soon to break, as I wait upon your mercy, which will swallow every ache. Cries of joy and songs of victory when we enter heaven's gates. All your children home together, all with you, the God of grace. Now to the God of every grace, who counts my tears, who holds my days, I sing through sorrows, sing with faith. Oh, praise the God of every grace. Oh, hail to the God of every grace, who counts my tears, who holds my days. I sing through sorrows, sing with faith. Oh, praise the God of every grace. Oh, praise the God of every grace. My God, my creators, the heavens did bow to ransom offenders and stooped very low. The body prepared by the Father assumes, and on the kind errand most joyfully comes, and on the kind errand most joyfully comes. Oh, wonder of wonders, astonished I gaze to see in the manger the Ancient of Days, and angels proclaiming the stranger forlorn, and telling the shepherds that Jesus is born, and telling the shepherds that Jesus is born. For thousands of sinners the Lord bowed his head, thousands of sinners. He groaned and he bled. My spirit rejoices, the work it is done. My soul is redeemed, salvation is won. My soul is redeemed, salvation is won. Dear Jesus, my Savior, thy truth I embrace, thy name and thy natures, thy spirit and grace, and trace the pure footsteps of Jesus, my Lord, and glory in him. Proud sinners abhorred, and glory in him, whom proud sinners abhorred. My God is returned to glory on high. When death makes a passage, then to him I'll fly, to join in the song of all praise through his blood, to the three who are one inconceivable God, to the three who are one inconceivable God.
Well, thank you, Rosette, and I hope you all have a good Sunday evening and a good week next week. God bless.